Look. Kitty. He's on the side of the road.
Hi guys, today I'm going to react about the guy who saved the kittens on the road. One day, a guy named Robert was driving in his car. Suddenly, a kitten appeared on his way. Afraid to ambush it, he got out of his car and rescued the kitten. At his surprise, the kittens came running one by one. Robert said, "Look, there's a kitten inside the road." Thus, he took the kittens, fed them, and gave them a bath and dried them. A lot of people called Robert to adopt the kittens.
Look. Kitty. He's on the side of the road. He's gonna get killed for sure. Someone just, oh no, it's a whole, oh my gosh. I can't take you all. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, there's more. We got a kitten problem. And I'm not able to, oh my gosh.
I see that brown one.
Oh.
That brown one looks like a chihuahua.
There's more. I thought I'd save him one. Hot diggity dog.
Those kittens are so cute and adorable. That's all for today. See you again next time in Gabby's World.